Unplugging from the digital world, understanding logged off. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the hub for all your English language learning needs. In today's video, we're going to dive into a phrase that's become extremely common in our digital age. Have you ever heard someone say they're logged off and wondered what exactly it means? Well, you're in luck because today, we're going to explore the meaning, usage, and context of the phrase, logged off. So, make sure you stay tuned till the end to get all the insights. When we talk about being logged off, we're referring to the action of signing out of a computer system, a website, or an online account. It's like telling the system, I'm done here, and I don't want to be connected anymore. Imagine you're leaving your house. You'd lock the door behind you, right? Logging off is similar. It's a way of securing your virtual space when you're not there. The term logged off has its roots in the early days of computing. Think about the word log in the context of ships or aircraft, where it's a record of the journey. In computing, when you log in, the system starts recording your session's activities. Consequently, when you log off, you are essentially ending that record. Over time, this term has evolved and is now part of our everyday lingo, especially with the increased use of personal computing devices and the internet. In everyday language, logged off can be used both literally and figuratively. Literally, when you finish a session on a computer, you log off. But figuratively, it's also used to say you are disconnecting from work or taking a break from social media. For example, someone might say, I'm logged off for the weekend, meaning they're not going to check work emails or engage in work-related activities. There are a few variations of the phrase you might come across. Log out, it's often used interchangeably with logged off. Sign out, another synonym mostly used with websites and applications. Log off, a less common variant, but it means the same thing. That's it for today's lesson. We hope you now have a clear understanding of what it means to be logged off, and how to use it in both a technical and a colloquial context. Remember, whether you're logging off your computer or just taking a break from the digital world, it's a phrase that connects our online activities to our offline lives. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay curious and happy learning.